Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SoildWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SoildWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain different types of ruled surfaces. See, we have 5 different types of ruled surfaces: tangent to surface, normal to surface, taper to vector, perpendicular to vector, sweep. See here, there are 5 different types in SoildWorks. See here, this is the tangent to the surface. So I am going to explain every option in detail. So let's start now. See, I have created a sketch. See here, this is the sketch. For practicing, you can copy this sketch. And one more sketch. Exactly perpendicular to the other sketch. So I am going to create swept surface. See here. So I am going to apply ruled surface command. See, the first one is tangent to surface. See here. So I am going to apply for 2 mm. See here. I am going to apply one direction. See, this is the additional surface. See here, if I want to trim and knit, I can trim and knit and connect to the surface. It exactly merge with the other surface. See here. The second option is normal to surface. See here, I have taken 2 mm. So this is normal to surface. Here also we have trim and knit and connect to the surface. See, sometimes we cannot have more distance. See here, it cannot create. So it depends on the curvature of this surface. So I am taking 2 mm. So we have to consider that also. Now I am going to suppress these 2 surfaces. Next option is tapered vector. So I am going to apply here this is the edge, and I have to select the vector direction. So I am going to select this edge. You can see this arrow, and I am going to take 45 degrees. See here. So it's going to create in this manner. So the angle should be less than 89 or equivalent to 89. So 90 degrees we can't apply it. So let us check. See, it is not creating. So it should be between 0 to 89. Next, ruled surface perpendicular to the vector. So I am going to apply for the same edge and going to select this edge, this edge or any other edge. So I am going to select this. See here. So it's going to create perpendicular to this edge. So what if I change this edge? What's going to happen? See here. It is creating exactly normal to this line. See. So final one is sweep. So if I select this edge and direction and select this edge, so we have to click this box. See here. See, if I flip this and see this, so these are the 5 options: tangent to surface, normal to surface, taper to vector, perpendicular to vector, sweep. Thanks for watching.